Flax seeds, tiny but mighty. These little seeds are often overlooked, but they pack a powerful nutritional punch. Known as one of the world's oldest cultivated crops, flax seeds have been valued for their health benefits for thousands of years. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Beyour Health, and here, we explore ways to keep you feeling your absolute best. In today's video, we'll explore 11 compelling reasons to include flax seeds in your daily diet. Before we continue, remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and not a substitute for professional medical advice. From improving digestion to supporting heart health and even enhancing skin and hair, you'll be amazed at what flax seeds can do for you. Be sure to watch until the end because reason number 9 could completely change the way you look at health and wellness. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on content that could transform your life. And tell us, are you already incorporating flax seeds into your diet? Drop a comment below and let us know how you enjoy them. Reason 1. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These healthy fats are essential for brain function, reducing inflammation, and supporting cardiovascular health. A 2013 study published in Advances in Nutrition found that ALA from flax seeds can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Testimonial: Maria, a 52-year-old fitness coach, shared, "After adding flax seeds to my smoothies, I noticed fewer muscle cramps and better focus during my workouts. It's like my brain and body are more in sync." Reason 2. High in fiber. A single tablespoon of flax seeds contains about 3 grams of fiber, which is a mix of soluble and insoluble types. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar and lower cholesterol levels, while insoluble fiber promotes regular bowel movements and improves gut health. Research from the Journal of Nutrition in 2016 highlighted that flaxseed fiber helps improve digestion and can alleviate constipation within just 2 weeks of daily consumption. Testimonial: John, a 68-year-old retiree, says, "Flax seeds have been a lifesaver for my digestive health. I used to struggle with constipation, but now I feel lighter and more comfortable." Reason 3. Supports heart health. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and fiber in flax seeds works wonders for your heart. Omega-3s reduce triglycerides and blood pressure, while lignans are antioxidants that lower oxidative stress. A 2020 study in Circulation found that flaxseed supplementation reduced blood pressure by an average of 10 millimeters of mercury in hypertensive patients. Testimonial: I've been taking ground flax seeds for a year now, and my doctor was amazed at how much my blood pressure improved. It's incredible how something so simple can have such a big impact, shares Elaine, 60. Reason 4. AIDS weight management. Flax seeds are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can keep you feeling full for longer periods. This fiber slows digestion, reduces hunger pangs, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. According to Appetite Journal, individuals who consumed flaxseed-enriched meals reported a 30% reduction in hunger levels over 6 hours. Testimonial: I sprinkle flax seeds on my yogurt, and it keeps me full until lunch. It's been my secret weapon for managing my weight, shares Lisa, a 40-year-old mother of 2. Reason 5. Balances hormones. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, which mimic estrogen in the body. These lignans can help reduce menopausal symptoms and improve hormonal balance. Research published in Menopause Journal showed that flaxseed supplementation reduced the severity of hot flashes by 50% in postmenopausal women. Testimonial: Since starting flax seeds, my hot flashes are almost non-existent. It's been a natural game changer for me, says Carol, 55. Reason 6. Improve skin health. Flax seeds are a beauty booster for your skin. The omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, and antioxidants protect against environmental damage. A 2014 study in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology showed that flaxseed oil improved skin hydration and reduced irritation in participants after just 12 weeks. Testimonial: My eczema has improved significantly since incorporating flax seeds. My skin feels softer, and the redness has faded, shares James, 33. Reason 7. Boosts hair health. Flax seeds nourish hair follicles, promoting growth and reducing thinning. Vitamin E in flax seeds helps repair damage and adds shine. 1. Testimonial: I've noticed less hair fall and more volume since adding flaxseed oil to my routine. My hairstylist even commented on the difference. Says Rachel, 45. Reason 8. Supports digestive health. Flax seeds act as a natural laxative due to their high fiber content. They soothe inflammation in the digestive tract and promote gut health. Research in nutrition and metabolism demonstrated that flaxseed supplementation increased stool frequency and consistency in patients with irritable bowel syndrome. Reason 9. Reduces cancer risk. The lignans in flax seeds are powerful antioxidants that reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers. A study in cancer causes and control found that women consuming flax seeds had a 20% lower risk of breast cancer compared to those who didn't. Reason 10. Regulates blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in flax seeds slows sugar absorption, making them ideal for managing diabetes. A 2017 study in clinical nutrition found that flax seeds reduced fasting blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetics. Reason 11. Improves bone health. Flax seeds are rich in magnesium and calcium, essential for maintaining bone density. Testimonial. Since adding flax seeds to my diet, my bone density scans have improved, and I feel stronger overall, shares Emma, 63. 2 step-by-step recipes. 1. Flaxseed smoothie ingredients. 1. 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds. 2. 1 banana. 3. 1 cup spinach. 4. 1 cup almond milk. 5. 1 teaspoon honey, optional, instructions. 1. Add all ingredients to a blender. 2. Blend until smooth. 3. Pour into a glass and enjoy. 2. Flaxseed crackers. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup ground flax seeds. 2. Half cup water. 3. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 4. Half teaspoon salt. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Mix all ingredients in a bowl to form a dough. 3. Roll the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper. 4. Cut into squares and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. 5. Let cool and enjoy with your favorite dip. Flax seeds might be small, but their benefits are enormous. Incorporating them into your diet is easy and versatile. Do you already eat flax seeds? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, type flax seeds below. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos we've selected just for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.